Up Sun Raes? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. I just want to say happy September. It is my birthday month. I am a September baby, so I'm excited about that. I know you're wondering, what is she wanting to tell us? Well, what I am wanting to share with you guys is that I have been thinking about how I can make things a little bit easier for you guys. So what I mean by that is a lot of you will email me and you will ask me about certain products to try. Have you tried this? I really would like for you to, try out these products. You will get in my comments, I really would like for you to, review X, Y, and Z. And so I have responded to some of you and said, right now I have so much stuff. I'm not trying to buy new stuff. If you want to reach out to the brand to see if they'll send it to me, things like that. A couple of you have done that. I haven't gotten anything from the brand, so I don't know how well that's going over. But some of you have went out and purchased the product yourselves and then paid for shipping to ship it to me. So what I want to share with you guys is, because I want to try to save you guys a little bit of money, what I have decided to do is put my Cash App in the description box. I put my Cash App in the description box as well as my PayPal in the description box. So I don't like to just come out and ask you guys for money or anything like that. But what I thought is, sometimes you guys want to do that. You want to send me stuff or you want me to try stuff. And then when you go out and get the product, and maybe the product is on sale at Sally's, 5 for $25 or 5 for $20 or 4 for $20 or whatever the sale may be, buy one, get one. And you're saving money on the product so you can send it to me to try out. Then when you go to the post office, now you got to pay for, a box to put it in. And then you got to pay shipping costs to get it shipped to me. And then you got to wait for it to get to me, right? So I was thinking maybe the easiest thing to do is just put my Cash App down there. And if you decide that there is something that you want me to try, you can just DM me, on Instagram, or either email me. My email address is in the description box as well, and say, hey, this is so-and-so. I really want you to try out these products. They're on sale at Sally's right now, or they're on sale at Target. I cashed apped you X amount of dollars for you to go pick it up if you want to do a review. I thought that was easier, so then that way you guys are just sending money for the product, the amount of the product. You know what I'm saying? And then I can use that money, go get the product. It's quicker, so you'll probably get your video, the review a lot faster, because I can just go and get it. And then it's also cheaper because you're just paying for the product. You're not having to pay for shipping, and you're not having to pay for a box, and you're not having to wait for a UPS or whoever, or USPS or whatever, to send it to me. So now you have to wait a little bit longer to get the review. So anyway, that is what I was thinking. Yes, I know that you can do like super chats to me if I did a live, or you can do like a super thanks. You can send me super thanks on a video and things like that, and I would appreciate those as well. However, sometimes I think with people having Cash App or PayPal, and it's usually right on their phone, it's easier for them to send something that way than to log on, send us super thanks. And I haven't gotten any super thanks, so I don't know really how it works. I don't know if you have to, get put in a credit card for the super thanks, or, really how that works. Or if you have to transfer money or whatever. I'm not really sure how that works, but I just thought that this would be easier. So that is what I wanted to share with you guys. So really short, really sweet. But I do want to let you know that for those of you who have sent me product, who have spent the money on shipping, and I know how much it costs because I have sent products to you in giveaways and things like that. So I know that it can get expensive, shipping it to somebody. And the last thing you want to do is find something on sale and get a whole kit for $20 or $25. Or maybe even less depending on what the sale is. And then you get to the post office and you got to pay another $25 to send it to me, or $15 or whatever. Now you've spent upwards of $50 on products that you tried to get on sale, and it just doesn't make a lot of sense. So that's what I came up with. Don't feel like you have to use it, But for those of you who have said, you know what, let me just, send her something to help out her channel. Or let me just send her something and see if she'll go pick up these products, like that. And it's easier just to Cash App it. So anyway, and then there you go. And then you just email me and let me know, hey, I just Cash Apped you X amount. Like I said, $25. These products are on sale at Sally's for $25 if you can, whatever. So yeah, guys, that's it. So like I said, down in my description box will be my email address. If you want to email me the information, it'll be my Instagram is actually down there as well. If you want to DM me, let me know you sent something. And then, of course, the Cash App and the PayPal will be down there as well to help you out. So I just wanted to share that with you. I know it's kind of coming out of the blue. But again, that helps my channel out when I'm bringing you content. It also helps me to, get the products that you want to see, on my channel, instead of me having to come out of my own pocket, for those products if I don't already have them on hand. So there you go. I hope you guys understand. I hope you don't take it like, oh, no, she's begging for money. I'm not begging for money. Like I said, you don't have to use it if you don't want to. I'm just putting it out there for the people who have inquired to me, hey, can you try this? Hey, can you try that? Or who have sent me stuff and they may want to send me something else instead of doing that and spending extra money for shipping. You can just send the money, let me know, and then I can get it myself and maybe get that video out to you a little bit sooner. Yeah, just want to share with you that. So again, happy September. Labor Day is coming up. I hope you guys are going to enjoy your Labor Day with your loved ones, family, and friends. Hopefully we will have some good weather on Labor Day. My birthday is actually the 5th, so I think that is the day after Labor Day, which I believe is the 4th this year. So yeah, I am a Labor Day baby and around Labor Day. So somewhere around Labor Day is always going to be my birthday, and I usually will get with family. Somebody will usually have some type of cookout or something like that. So I'm excited about it, and I just want to say, hey, I just thank the Lord that He has allowed me so far to see another year. And yeah, that is it, guys. So again, don't feel any pressure, but if you want to, help support my channel in some way, those items are down there. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much what I wanted to let you know, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.